Another interesting coincidence, maybe I found. So there is this lake in Latvia which consists of many islands in it, and apparently, yes, in these Celtic languages, Inis, or I don't know how you pronounce it correctly, it mean literally island. So is there a connection, coincidence, like coincidence related to island and lake? Feels like too much for it to be just a coincidence. And actually, what I found out also, a little bit looking more deeply into it, there can be, and why wouldn't, like it's not something very extraordinary to think that very ancient Proto-Celtic and Proto-Baltic people lived in close proximity, at least some of them. Europe is small, and at some point, some of these peoples could live technically even on one territory. Because if you think about it, even now Latvia is not a very populated place. Back then, it was even less people, so there was enough place in one geographical region for very different groups of people to live and not even bother much each other because there was enough place. No, no, yeah. What do you think? Is there any ideas? Actually, and another thing which I found out also interesting, like this Baltic Latvian connection and Celtic languages connection. So in Latvian, there is no word yes. We do have this yeah now, yeah, which is borrowed from, well, either German or Swedish, so both could be. And how would we how would language work without having a word yes? Yeah, how? Impossible, yeah? No, actually, for example, if you ask, will you eat ice cream? You just answer eat. So you confirm, yeah, eat. Not yes, but yes. In English, that sounds weird and stupid. But in Latvian, it absolutely makes sense. Or will you go outside? Go. And I think something it will work even with Slavic languages now when I think about it. So where does the word yes actually come from? In Germanic languages, basically. Well, I think in Romance languages they also have it, but I don't know the history of these languages. Did they have it forever? So is that Indo-European thing, or actually no? Because apparently, yes, what I found out in Celtic languages also, you don't have yes, you just repeat that word when you are asked, like, will you do something, or do you want something, or whatever.